Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the course CHEM 473, which is about the surface and solid state chemistry, and it is having 4 credit hours. First, this is my introduction, my academic qualifications, starting from the BS till the postdoctorate. I have done 2 postdoctorate. One is from Brazil, and another one is from Malaysia, on a fellowship awarded by the Academy of Sciences for the Developing World, which is based in Italy. And I have started my professional career from the University of Karachi, then PCSIR Peshawar, and the PCST Islamabad, GC University Lahore, and now working at the former Christian College, Al Chartered University Lahore, from 2018. I have more than 20 years professional experience. These are my selected awards, which I have received from my academic period, and later on my professional career. I have received many international awards, including the national from the Minister of Higher Education Department and the Governor of the Punjab, and received Innovation Award, Satha Innovation Award, and the Gold Medal. Right now, this is the latest published productivity of the scientists, and I am ranked at 11th in Pakistan as the young scientist, which was declared in 2018 in the field of the chemistry. This is my research profile and mentioning the patents, publications, research citations, books, and I have presented in more than 100 conferences around the globe at the international and the national level, and supervised more than 50 MPhil and the PhD thesis, and many other BSc honors thesis as well. If you want to further explore about me, these are the websites through which you can further explore about my academic and the professional achievements. So coming to the course description, this course is about the surface and the solid state chemistry, and this is the course content is given over here. So later on I will discuss in detail what are the actually the description of the content under the 473. And this is the requirement, technology requirement. That means the way I'm going to teach, and this will be the traditional and on-site face-to-face class. And in case if there is the lockdown or due to the COVID-19 pandemic, as per instruction from the university, and then maybe we will move to the online classes, and I will use the Zoom and the Microsoft Team. And our main instruction mode will be the Moodle, and the student with the limited internet connectivity in this case will get all information on the Moodle. I will share the printed or the recorded lectures on the Moodle. So this is the lab actually you will perform. These are the high-level experiments, and these are very important regarding the application of the chemistry in different fields. So basically, I will try to perform all these experiments, so you will be able to learn the basic and the advanced concept of the physical chemistry to calculate different parameters which are going to be used in several projects as well. So hopefully these experiments will help you even in your research work, as well as if you want to start any of the project in the near future. These are the course objectives, and at the end you will be able to understand the concepts of the surface chemistry, which is the absorption and the absorption processes, and how you can determine the rate of the absorption, and then we will discuss the adsorption isotherms and particularly their application, because application is very important for the startup, the projects or the entrepreneurship. Then I will discuss the solid state chemistry, covering some of the techniques and the properties which are going to help to understand the characterization of the material. And these two topics are very, very important to understand and to apply in your research work. So this is the detail of the contents. I will share with you the detail along with the dates, uh, which we will cover up during the first week, second, third, and so on. So we will be starting with the very basic phenomena to differentiate between the physical and the chemical adsorption, or the adsorption or the desorption processes and their factors. And then we will cover up three adsorption isotherms. One is the Friedrich adsorption isotherm, Langmuir, and the BD adsorption isotherm. These three adsorption isotherms are very, very important if you want to study the materials regarding their applications, and you will learn in this course how these are going to help you. Then we will discuss the solid state chemistry, and in this X-ray diffraction is very, very important. I will be discussing into the detail of the XRD using the Bragg equation, or how to calculate the T-spacing, and how to calculate the crystallite size by different the equation. And this is a Shearer equation, and we will discuss the ways of the Miller indices. All these are very, very important regarding the characterization of the material, and particularly the nanomaterials, with the help of the XRD. So I will give you the practical approach to learn all these things, and later on we will discuss some of the points group by taking some of the examples, and during the course and at the end you will learn how these adsorption isotherms are going to help in several industrial processes, including the softening of the hard water, removal of the color materials, dyeing of the fabrics, filtration, and these are very, very important if you want to start your own business or startup projects under these headings. This course, of course, will help you to take this initiative. These are some of the books. I will give you the relevant notes and soft copy of the books. And of course, the lab notes will also be provided to you. Now I'm moving to the assessment or your participation or the evaluation, different evaluation criteria under this course. So your class participation is very, very important, and it depends how can you ask the question, because if you ask the question, you will learn about the course and its objective. I will assess you based on the MCQ short question or the subjective questions, and this is the breakup of the 100% marks. Your quizzes, assignment, mid, final, and practical exam, and your class participation. So assignments are very, very important, and this will be evaluated as per the following criteria. I have given over here. Let's suppose if the assignment is having 10 marks, and it is divided into 5 and 3 and 2 marks with the percentage of 30, 50, 30, and the 20%. And description is given over here so that you will not lose the marks during the assessment of your assignment. So everything is very clear over here. Now at the end, as I have designated 5 marks for your class participation, and I will encourage you to ask the question during the class so that you can learn all these things. And your out of the class participation is also important, because when I will give you the assignments, or the numerical exercise to solve at home. So it would be better to discuss with me if you find any of the difficulty while solving the exercise or doing the assignments. So all actually the assessment during the whole course is also mentioned over here in the course content. We will be starting the evaluation from the 4th week. This is quiz 1, assignment 1, and then there will be the fall break, midterm examination, assignment 2, or maybe the presentation, Christmas break, quiz 2, and your final exam. This is all about the course 473. Thank you.